Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So it looks like Harbor Freight just released the green Icon set of screwdrivers. They just recently released the Icon picks. I think that was about a week ago or so when these guys came out. So now it looks like everything else is starting to kind of trickle in on the green side. Now, to my knowledge, these were the only two things shown at SEMA this year to come out in green. But hopefully this is just kind of a sample of what's to come. Or a sign of what's to come, I should say. And hopefully they come up with other things like maybe the precision screwdrivers, the torque screwdrivers, and then hopefully pliers and some other tools. But for right now, these were the only two that I was aware of that were shown at SEMA this year. So just wanted to kind of let you guys know that these are available. Let me kind of go over the box here in case you guys want to go look at your local Harbor Freight and see if you can track this down. This is the model number right here. And then really the number that you're going to want to know is going to be this, the 73154. So, I saw that these things were released online. I went into my local store because it said they were in stock. They were not on display. And that was the same thing that was with these guys. Luckily, one of the employees was kind enough to go into the back and look for me. And they came out with this lovely set right over here. So my guess is that if you guys are going to Harbor Freight here in the next couple of days, you probably will not see these things on display. But if it shows that it's in stock online, just, ask nicely and they will usually get it for you. I've always had great luck with doing that kind of stuff at my local Harbor Freights, at least. Speaking of the box, if you guys are kind of interested, I'm going to kind of put it like in this orientation here. But the box itself is identical to the box for the green one. There is no difference that I can basically see outside of the references that it is green, obviously. I have actually a brand new set of the red ones right over here. So I actually kind of compared and contrasted. And like I said, other than the model number, it adds a G to it on the green. Item number is obviously different because it's a different item number. But other than that, the box, everything that it says on there, they're both going to be made in Taiwan. So no differences whatsoever on the box if you guys are interested. On the screwdrivers themselves, I was kind of playing around with the Phillips number 2 since I'm sure that's going to be your most used one, which is, my most used one. So comparing it to the Phillips number 2 of the red one, without the gloves, I was kind of playing around with them and they both feel identical. The black part is the rubbery part. The colored either red or green part is the plasticky part that's a little bit slippery. They both have that kind of cam out on the tip of the Phillips screwdrivers, at least. If you guys can see it right there, that's a pretty good picture of that. And then it is the same on the red one. And for you guys that don't know, when these guys were initially released, the first version of this, basically they did not have this cam out. And then they released kind of a second generation quietly that did have the anti-cam out on there as well. So it's something to kind of keep in mind if you guys have the older sets there. Now, like I said, they're pretty much identical. And then one thing I decided to kind of bring out is, my set of Snap-on, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to be curious on the similarities and differences. So, they're, similar in the size of the overall grip and, the length and all that kind of good stuff. The Snap-on does not have that anti-cam out ridges on the tip. To my knowledge, they never have, at least none of the ones I've ever had from Snap-on. But, that's kind of the difference. But same thing, it's going to be kind of like a rubbery feel on the black and more of a plasticky feel on the green. Obviously a different shape. The Snap-on has that nice tri-lobe design that everyone seems to like, where this one is a little bit of a kind of a different design. Still feels pretty good in the hand. Personally, I know they're much more expensive. I still prefer the Snap-on ones. But honestly, for the price, I don't think you can beat these guys. Now, unfortunately, I did go and pay full retail price on this, which is $50 or $49.99. However, they're constantly doing sales on these guys where I think the most recent set that I picked up of the red ones not that long ago, I believe they were sub $30, which I thought was a great deal. And that's when I kind of picked those up before. And, for $30 to $50 depending on when you buy these guys, I think they're a great set of professional screwdrivers. Lifetime warranty on there. Something happens, just take it into your local Harbor Freight. They'll go ahead and swap it out for you right there on the spot. But like I wanted to get my hands on these, as quickly as I could. As you guys, people that have watched my channel know, I like my affinity for green tools and things like that. So when I saw these things released, I had to go out and basically grab a set. So you know, this is going to be it's an 8-piece set, as you guys can see right here. 4 Phillips, 4 slotted, and comes with these kind of like so I guess semi-stubbies. Are not quite as stubby as the like the snap-on ones or some other ones, but they're actually not a bad size for a smaller screwdriver. And you get, you know, a nice large you know, flathead right here, which we definitely won't use as a pry bar, but it's there if you need it. The only drawback really when it comes to these kind of sets is, you know, with snap-on, I'm sorry, with actually, you know what, there isn't really that much of a drawback. I mean, other than I would say the you know, the grip on these, while pretty nice, not quite as ergonomic as this one right here. But again, when you're talking about, you know, 150 to 200 bucks for a similar set versus 30 to 50, I don't think there's really much of a comparison to be had. One thing to kind of note as well, if you guys care, is the green is going to be a little bit different than the snap-on green. The snap-on green is a little bit darker than the Icon green, and that looks to be the same when it comes to their pick sets as well. You know, there's this, because I didn't mention this when I was talking about the picks before, but they are just a hair different. It might be hard to kind of see on camera right here, but the snap-on is going to be just a little bit darker than the Icon, but they're not that far off. You know, if you saw them from afar, you probably think they were a similar brand. So just want to kind of get this out there for you guys who have been waiting for the green tools, and just let you know, yeah, just go into your local Harbor Freight, ask for that model number, which again, you know, it'll be in the description and the title, but the model number is going to be the 73154. So you might want to even call in before you get there to make sure that they have it in stock if you guys don't look online. And then just so you know, the old model number, if you see it, is the 7309. So that is definitely going to be the red version and not the green version. So that's pretty much, you know, all I have for this. You know, let me grab my little test rig here that I usually show my screwdrivers on, if I can find it. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Sorry about that, guys. And, you know, just to kind of show you here on this set with the anti-cam mount, I mean, this thing really kind of grabs into a screw. It's kind of hard to get. There we go. It really grabs very, very nicely into a screw and kind of gives you confidence that it's not gonna you know, strip it out and things like that. So, you know, and it sits in, you know, every one of the Phillips that I've tried very well. And then speaking of Phillips, one thing I forgot to mention is, you know, it does come with a Phillips number 3, which not a lot of sets come with anymore. But if you guys are looking for a Phillips number 3 and you work on some larger stuff, it's kind of nice to have that here. So again, if you guys have been waiting for green Icon tools like I have, then right now is kind of the time to go into Harbor Freight. It looks like both these things are going to be in stock. They're not in stock at every single Harbor Freight. A few of the ones locally to me had them in stock. A few of them didn't. So definitely check online or call the store before you guys go in. If you guys are interested in this guy, I'll put a link probably right over here to the previous video that I did that goes over the model number and all that kind of stuff. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.